That just makes us all the more determined.
Yeah.
We got it.
We got it.
We got it. They gotta be tired now.
Yeah.
We're gonna be exhausted because we're gonna go. Oh, so they're gonna be faster?
Yeah. I have to say I'm proud of us because we've got our numbers went really like compared to every year. Yeah. Our numbers are like theirs now.
Maybe they didn't notice.
Put this way, guys. I missed a flag, and then the boat 3 lengths behind us missed a flag. So I've seen weirder races. All we can do is go out, we do our 5, we get in a pace, we go as hard as we can go, and it is what it is. It's your last run of the tournament. Let's make it perfect.
Okay.
Let's just cruise it. Let's just crush it. Okay, forward easy.
Is there a penalty? We don't get the flag? Oh.
Does it really matter? We're just gonna do the best we can.
Yeah.
That's all we can do.
No, I thought they were like.
The flag hits the water, right? It hit the water. Do you have to throw into the water?
Yeah.
Yes, that's when it stops the clock.
Yeah.
It's not when you pick it out.
People just hold on to it. They're not supposed to.
Right.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
no,
So you're supposed to throw it. That's like the timer stops. Got it. Because if you don't throw it, the time keeps going.
Yep.
And we're out.
I think they probably put gum in there. Let's check their mouth. Gum. I couldn't see either.
I didn't see either. I know they were really close to us. Got it.
I can't breathe.
3 strokes forward, each 3.
1, 2, 3. Oh, that wind. Yeah, who are these people? We're gonna do. There's people fishing right there.
Go narrow. Okay, give me 4 strokes forward, 4 please. Give me 1 stroke. Give me 1 stroke. 1 more stroke. Action. Watch us.
Does it count if we beat them to the boat? Do they take time off? Yeah, can you subtract? I don't think that would be fair.
Okay, left side pull 2, right side push 2. Okay, give me 1/2 a stroke forward, just a little bit. Just move aside. There you go, perfect.
Yeah.
I give you 2 strokes forward, please. 2. Left side, use your hands, not your blades.
Got a call for the race official. Missing flags in 5 seconds.
Yeah, we're okay.
I knew it.
We're good.
Yeah,
We're
we're
gonna
fine.
take 10 seconds. We'll make up for it this time.
Oh my god, we're gonna make up 10 seconds? We will.
That fire
5 seconds? Only 5. 5, just 5. Just 5. I knew there was a penalty. 5 seconds or something. 5 seconds. All right. Just 5 seconds. Prepare to hurt your arms. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Really, really, really dig deep.
Dig deep.
Keep it solid, then we get in and we go. Just like last time, I don't care if there's seaweed. This side, you gotta give me that good push because of the wind. The little boat's been doing great. There it goes.
Grab on and walk back. Walk it back.
Yeah, why don't you take that mic away from him? You guys don't have to work as hard. We got a 5-second penalty.
Talk to them.
So just relax.
I see where you're going with that.
I see you. Okay, place on your butt, see outside edge. Okay, get your legs
All the baby we can eat after this.
Lock on and set. Minute of pain. Give it up. Last run of the day. Let's do this.
right. Get your bowl of rice out. We're ready to eat meat.
That's right.
Have a good race, guys.
Thanks.
Push on.
Woo! Get ready, get ready.
Sarah's ready. Sarah's ready. Set.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and 2 and 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 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 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 1. Stay and sing. 1 and 2 and 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 power. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and power. 1 and 2 and 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 they got it first. Woo!
Everybody sit up.
Okay, it's okay. We tried.
Let's hear some big noise.
Try.
Best start.
Did they get it?
Oh yeah, they got it before us. Yeah.
That was cool. No, we lived probably about 3/10 of a second. I don't know. No, that was, we had half a boat. You guys, that was the best start we've had all tournament. You just
It's okay.
took off.
We all
You
tried.
just punched.
Well,
You got it.
Got
You
you
did
on
it.
the cruise.
Yeah.
It was all power. Very,
did
very,
good.
very good.
You did a great job. We're close. Good job.
now we ram.
Yeah.
Now we push them on the boat.
Everybody sit up, breathe. You should be very tired. Tomorrow you're going to hate it, but that's okay. Today's good. Today you're not sore. Tomorrow, a lot of admin. Okay, give me 4 strokes reverse. 4. Yeah, that was your run. That's what you guys always do. We get in and we go hard.
See what that run was.
That was the typical run right there. What you guys know you can do.
It did look good at the start.
We did.
Yes.
Yeah, we started it.
I did.
Or you say, Cheryl.
You can goggle. Breathe.
Watch yourself coming into the edge of the
Get
dock.
the breathing.
I know.
Yeah.
Hold your breath.
My lips turn purple.
I did. I know.
Saw it too.
And I'll take that rope then.
Oh, I keep forgetting.
So,
I'm
Oh.
gonna,
left first.
I'm gonna pull you forward.
They can stay out. Stay out on that. That way they know. That way other boaters know there's a hazard.
Okay, I'm gonna pull you forward.
That's a good idea. Yeah, that's a safety action. Okay. You're out first.
Oh, hang on.
Left first. That's all right. That's what you guys do. That last run was us. That's how we do it. Everything out.
Really cool. They were doing it with one thing that we had.
Another one up here. We used to have
It's a little different because you usually come over there. All right, hop out.
Oh, okay. Do I help out too?
Yep.
Okay.
And you can get out.
It's your turn to get out. It's jammed under the bottom.
Once we get the boat in, because me and Catherine